Model, 57 Plate Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 17-seater factory minibus camper long MOT grin. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 127397. MOT, 12 September 2024. Engine, 2.4 TDCI. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear seating area is in decent, average condition. Features, part service history, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972 3.